Guys, tonight I don't have something I want to share. I have something I know I need to share. And if you listen closely, this might change your life forever. Have you ever stopped and really looked at your life? Your health, the roof of your head, the bed that you sleep in, the food you have every day, the freedom, and people that you love, and things that you share. Sometimes life doesn't need to be fixed. It needs to be noticed. So in my life, I've learned that health, freedom, and faith are quiet blessings that we often overlook. And to understand what this means, you have to visit 3 places. You know, the hospital. This is where you realize health is your real wealth. The prison. That's where you see freedom is a gift. And you've got that. And the cemetery. That's where you understand everything stays behind and life is shorter than you, I, and everybody think. You know, the Bible tells us in Psalm 90, verse 12, Lord, teach us the number of our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom. So, today, be grateful. Live your life with purpose. Train your body. Protect your health. And walk daily in obedience with Jesus. And give your best every single day. Because tomorrow is not promised. Guys, I hope this message touches you as much as it touched me. Have a blessed evening. Stay strong, stay grateful, and stay faithful. And I'll catch up again with you guys tomorrow night.